Today we are going to be making the tropical pineapple coconut Aperol Spritz. We are going to start with half an ounce of coconut syrup, which is different than cream of coconut. So just kind of keep that in mind if you're looking for the products. Okay. Then we're going to do a full ounce of pineapple juice. Ooh, that was a bad sound. A full ounce of Aperol. And then we are going to do 3 ounces of Prosecco. I am going to measure this out just because I want to be accurate here. But normally I would tell you, let your heart decide how much Prosecco goes in. There's 2. And 3. Okay, so now I'm going to pause here. I'm going to add my ice to my wine glass very carefully. Just a few more here. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to finish off by topping with some soda water. Beautiful. I am going to give that a quick stir just to make sure that everything that's sitting down at the bottom is fully incorporated here. And as always, no cocktail is complete without a garnish, so I've got a beautiful pineapple wedge here. Et voila. We have our pineapple coconut Aperol Spritz. Okay, we're going to rate it. Remember, scale is 5 is the best, 1 is the not so best. I'm going to try to not get a pineapple spike up my nose.
Like the real term, pineapple spike?
I don't know, maybe. Ooh, yeah, okay. So if you're not a huge Aperol fan, don't get me wrong, I taste it a little bit, like I do get a little bit of the bitterness, but it's not the same as a straightforward Aperol Spritz. You're getting a lot of the coconut, you're getting a good amount of the pineapple, and then just a little bit of the bitterness from the Aperol at the very end. For the summer, I mean, I realize this Aperol Spritz is just a summer drink, but if you want something just a little fruitier, this would be beautiful. Super light, super refreshing. I feel like I'm on a beach. I don't know about you. But for me, I'm going to rate this one, drumroll, 5 out of 5. This one gets a 5 out of 5 for me. It is delicious. It's easy to drink. I will be drinking this on the patio all summer long. I hope you guys will be too. Whoo! Holy smokes. One too many Aperol Spritzes today. Okay, don't forget, ingredients are all listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know what your rating is if you made the cocktail. Can't wait to see you guys. Cheers.